Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Taylor or Dolly the Rebel if you're new. And in today's video, I will be doing a Morphe foundation review. So the foundation we'll be reviewing and trying out today is the Morphe Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation. And it is medium to full coverage. So I'm just going to read like some of the details here on the side of the box, but let me show you the packaging first. So this is the packaging, just the outside until we open it. And the color that I got, or the shade that I got, is Filter Rich 26, which is, I think it's dark. It's either dark or deep dark. I think I'm dark. I can't remember, but I'll have it linked down in the in the description box. I'll have a link down below, or all the details either in the comments or in the description box about the color that I chose. But it does have a golden undertone to it. And I did get this from Ulta. Now I don't have the foundation brush that came with it, so I really don't blame Ulta. It's really not Ulta's fault. It's more so the shipping company. So the only reason I'm kind of late with this review is because I ordered it. It was supposed to come with the foundation and the brush. I never got my package because apparently they delivered on Sunday. And right around the same time they delivered it, I came home like maybe 30 to 45 minutes after, but there was nothing there. Looked out for Monday, nothing there. Called them. They was like, oh, give it till Thursday. Thursday came, still nothing. So they had to ship out another one for me. They didn't have any more of the foundation brushes, so she just gave me a $15 gift card to Ulta. So yeah. So just some details about the foundation that we have here. So it is a long wearing, oil free, natural finish foundation which hydrates and blurs imperfections for the ultimate soft focus. So it does have hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and glycerin in it as well. So I'm going to open it for you guys and show you what the actual packaging looks like. Okay, so this is the foundation. So it does come in a frosted glass. We have a black cap here, and so I did wear this once. As you can see, some foundation right here. So yeah, I only used it because it was like the only foundation on my table, and I was getting ready to do a interview online, so it's just like I just threw it on, and just I'm gonna go through the details with you guys as I apply it. So, but you do get a pump as well. It does feel like has some weight to it. It's really cute. I like it. I like that it has a pump instead of having to squeeze or dump it out on the back of your hand. So yeah, so I am going to go ahead and apply this foundation for you guys, and I am going to use right here my Real Techniques brush. You guys always see me use this foundation brush. It is the Real Techniques 204 brush. I get so many questions about what brush I use. Was that brush you used in your video? It is the Real Techniques 204 brush. So now I'm just going to do 2 full pumps. So it just looks like that on the back of my hand. And I'm going to use my Real Techniques brush, and we're going to do, I'm going to do my right side of my face. So I'm just like lightly tapping that into the skin and buffing it in like little circular motions. And just making sure I blend that in well. And what I like about this foundation, because I do have I think their original foundation, it's not super thick Like the first one, it is creamy. And the first foundation that they did, I did feel like I was more like red or something. Like I just seemed really, really dark. But this, I like this. So as you guys can see, like this is my natural side, like no makeup. I do have dark marks, blemishes, and then this is the side with the foundation, and I like it. I believe it oxidizes because when I first applied it, when I first tried it out and I went into the bathroom and I just looked so orange, like I hadn't finished doing my makeup completely. Like I think I just still had concealer on, but I didn't do my makeup in its entirety, so it hadn't fully like set. So I felt like I was like, oh, I'm super orange. But as like my makeup set in and everything, and I went downstairs to the bathroom, I was just like, oh, okay, like it looks normal, like how my other foundations look. So yeah, that's just the pretty much like a side by side for the foundation. So now I'm just going to complete the other half of my face with the foundation. So that was only 2 pumps for this side, so I'm going to use another 2 pumps for this side. Okay, so 1, 2, and let's go. Okay guys, so that is the whole foundation all over my face. Nothing else, no highlight, contour, anything. This is just the foundation on its own. So looking at it, excuse me, looking at it like straight on, I do feel a little darker. I do feel like I'm a little bit orange. But again, like I said, we're gonna let it set in. I'm gonna do my whole like what? I'm sorry, I'm struggling today. I don't know why. But I'm going to do the rest of my face off camera. I'm going to highlight, contour, do everything, use everything else that I normally use. And we're going to see how my face looks after. And of course, I'm going to check in with you guys a little bit later, maybe like later on this afternoon, just to see how everything fully sets. And if I really am like a filter, you know, a focus or whatever. But yeah, this is just everything. So I'm going to do my makeup off camera, like complete everything else, and I'll check in with you guys like right after I'm done, and then it'll be another check-in a little later on this afternoon. Okay, so I'll see you guys in a second. All right, you guys, so I'm back and finished my makeup. So yeah, this is just how we're looking right now. It is 12:50, so 10 minutes till 1 o'clock. So yeah, so this is how we're looking. So as far as like my concealer, I use my It's You concealer in honey beige. I use my flower powder by Beauty Bakery. What else did I use? I used my drugstore contour palette. Some lashes I got from Alibaba, my Jackie Aina palette on the eyes, Tele Andre lipstick, liquid lipstick. Yeah, just like normal products I use all the time. NYX white eyeliner in the waterline, my LA Girl Pro liner for my wing. I will have everything listed down below. But yeah, this is everything. I really didn't set the entire face with my powder foundation. If you guys know, I use the MAC Studio, I think it's like the Studio Fix Mineral Powder or whatever it is, in NC45, but I don't have that near me, so I didn't set my makeup. So this is just based off of my setting powder. Like I did like just kind of buff, you know, everything in and pat it in and stuff like that. But this is how we are looking so far. So yeah, I did take some like boomerangs and pictures on Instagram, and it looks good there. I like the way that I look. I don't feel like I am too dark or anything. Like I can see, like I can kind of see, like I know this is my neck because I do have like some kind of like dark marks or whatever. So yeah, but like I can see the difference like from my neck right here and then where my foundation starts, but it's not super obvious or super dark. So yeah, I would definitely take a look at how I look on camera in HD, and stuff like that. But yeah, so far so good. I do like the way that I look. Baby hairs are still laid, lipstick is popping. So yeah. I will check in with you guys a little bit later on today or tonight before I take my makeup off, and just to see where we are. I normally don't have to touch up my makeup unless it's like a crying factor or something like that. But we'll just see how, you know, I look throughout the day. I am about to eat, so the only thing that's probably going to be gone is my lipstick. But other than that, I'm gonna try not to touch my makeup and just show you guys like how it looks after pretty much by the end of the day. So I will see you guys a little bit later this evening, and yeah. All right, you guys, so I actually forgot to check back in, but as you can see in the boomerangs from Instagram and the pictures that I took, this foundation is flawless and I absolutely love it. Make sure you guys give this foundation a try and let me know what you think.